Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. True power doesn't always come with a post. Today, Delhi Darbar saw a blockbuster hit. After Arvind Kejriwal played the martyr card and resigned as the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi loyally stepped up to replace her guru, declaring that Delhi has only one Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal. BJP was quick to tarnish her so-called Tukde background, while Aam Aadmi Party claimed vindication against vendetta politics of the centre. Interestingly, after being picked by Kejriwal and unanimously selected by the party's MLAs, in her first address, Atishi said that her aim is to ensure that Kejriwal returns as the Chief Minister after Delhi elections. She added that he will continue to guide the Aam Aadmi Party Sarkar, prompting the BJP to allege that Kejriwal may have quit office but is still the boss for the Aam Aadmi Party. Of course, this wouldn't be the first time we see a rule by proxy. Twice, when Lalu Prasad Yadav was tried and later jailed over the fodder scam, his wife Rabdi Devi was made the puppet Chief Minister of Bihar. Twice, when Jayalalitha stepped down over graft charges, O. Paneerselvam, her most trusted aide, was made the Chief Minister, though he refused to even sit on the Chief Minister's chair. In Bihar, after a poll drubbing in 2019 Lok Sabha elections, Nitish Kumar stepped down and made Jiten Ram Majhi the Chief Minister of Bihar. And just recently, Champai Soren was picked as the Chief Minister when Hemant Soren resigned before being arrested by the ED in a money laundering case. The Aam Aadmi Party draws a Ram Bharat analogy between Kejriwal and Atishi, but the BJP has said that it will be more like Lalu Rabri model. Listen in to this first address by Atishi and decide for yourself.
मैं आज ये ज़रूर कहना चाहती हूँ आम आदमी पार्टी के सभी विधायकों की तरफ से, दिल्ली की 2 करोड़ जनता की तरफ से, कि दिल्ली का एक ही मुख्यमंत्री है और उस मुख्यमंत्री का नाम अरविंद केजरीवाल है। आम आदमी पार्टी के विधायक और मैं अगले कुछ महीनों तक, चुनाव तक मुख्यमंत्री होने के नाते अब एक ही उद्देश्य से काम करेंगे कि हमें अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को फिर से दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री बनाना है। दिल्ली के लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री, आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता, मेरे गुरु अरविंद केजरीवाल जी का धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने मुझे इतनी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी दी। अगले कुछ महीने तक, जब तक ये जिम्मेदारी मेरे पास है, मैं दिल्ली के लोगों की रक्षा करने की कोशिश करूंगी और अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के मार्गदर्शन में दिल्ली की सरकार चलाऊंगी।
The BJP has been quick to lash out at the rule by proxy by Arvind Kejriwal, saying that graft is intrinsic to the Aam Aadmi Party and a mere makeover by replacing a chief minister in the public eye cannot whitewash their taint. Listen in.
आतिशी का पूरा नाम क्या है?
आतिशी मरलेना।
मुझे वही तो पता लगा कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा। मरलेना, मार्क्सिस्ट और लेनिन नाम को जोड़ के मारलेना बनाया। तो दिल्ली को कोई मार्क्सिस्ट लेनिनिस्ट चलाएगा क्या? हम आतिशी मरलेना कौन है, क्या है, मेरा उससे मतलब नहीं है, लेकिन विचार अफजल गुरु का तो फांसी हुआ, लेकिन फिर भी उसको फांसी नहीं लगना चाहिए करके आतिशी का ये परिवार वालों ने ही तो पूरा ये सिग्नेचर कैंपेन चलाया है।
सो ये एक एंटी करप्शन क्रूसेडर से शुरू करके आप एक करप्ट आउटफिट, जो आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बेल कंडीशन भी पड़ी है, सो ही हैज अ बिग केस टू आंसर फॉर, और आने वाला समय बताएगा कि एक कैसे इसको आगे ले जाते हैं।
लेकिन ये दिल्ली का दुर्भाग्य है कि यहाँ पर 1 दशक से आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है। सीएम का चेहरा कोई भी हो, दिल्ली के विकास कार्यों पे ये जो पूर्ण विराम लगा हुआ है, ये जो दिल्ली की दुर्दशा है, ये बनी रहेगी जब तक कि यहाँ पर आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार है। के सुधार के लिए यहाँ पर डबल इंजन की सरकार आनी बहुत आवश्यक है।
Remember, a crown of thorns awaits Atishi. Delhi has several challenges before it. it has seen 18 deaths in 2 months due to drowning or electrocution because of incessant rains, as piles of garbage mounds, 3,800 tons of solid waste per day is going untreated. One of the reasons that could be that no standing committee has been formed since the MCD polls last year. There's also water scarcity, as Delhi has already extracted 99.1% of groundwater. The cracker ban by Delhi government was flouted by Kejriwal's own supporters when he was released from jail on Friday. And under Atishi, who is the architect of the Delhi model of education, over 1 lakh class 9 students in Delhi government schools have failed, and one will not even get into the issues of corruptions that are so hotly contested between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. But clearly, these corruption cases that are still pending in courts involve some of the biggest top brass faces of the Aam Aadmi Party. Can Atishi change all of this under the guidance of her guru over the next 3 or 4 months or earlier when elections are held? That's the question. And the legitimate question that we're asking on the News Hour tonight. Is this new liquor in old bottles? That's the question, and that's the debate. Coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
And joining me tonight on the News Hour is Gaurav Bhatia, national spokesperson of the BJP, Tehseen Poonawalla, political analyst. But my first question goes to Priyanka Kakkar, chief spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party. And Priyanka Kakkar, winds of change blowing in the Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal handing over the reins of Delhi Chief Minister to Atishi. Is this a new beginning for the Aam Aadmi Party, or as the BJP and the Congress have both alleged, Arvind Kejriwal will still be in power but not in office, and Atishi will be a mere puppet, as the opposition is calling it?
Yes. So I think what is meant by a puppet is, for example, Pradhan Mantri Modi being a puppet in the hands of Adani ji. Puppet will be an LG of Delhi who is a puppet in the hands of central government and creates obstacles in the work of Delhi government. So those are the examples of puppets. We are very vocally, very vociferously claiming that, you know, we got votes in the name of Arvind Kejriwal ji in Delhi, and हमारा सारा प्रयास यही रहेगा, and we will make sure this happens, that Arvind Kejriwal ji is re-elected for a 4th time in Delhi, and BJP continues to stay out like it has for the past 32 years in Delhi. The 8 seats that the BJP has, I think even those 8 seats will be diminished to a security forfeit this time, and it will come down to a 0.
Well, Gaurav Bhatia, please respond. Even before the swearing in of Atishi, why is the BJP training its guns on an internal party matter? It's the Aam Aadmi Party's own decision who it makes the chief minister.
So, Navika, first of all, I think, the opposition needs to decide and to have clarity how to attack Narendra Modi ji, who is the most respected leader in the world. We are celebrating his birthday today. Sometimes they say that he's a dictator and the nation believes he's a very strong leader. Today they are saying he's a puppet. So I'm sure that they're very confused, just like Arvind Kejriwal and Rahul Gandhi. But let me come to the topic. What is the topic today? Delhi has witnessed a jail CM, then a bail CM. And today there is a failed CM. Failed CM designate Atishi Marlena. The question that people of Delhi are asking, let me frame it well so that, the spokesperson here can answer it. We have heard from everybody, including Atishi Marlena, that she would be a Khadau CM. Khadau CM. That means she would not be the real chief minister. Now I want to ask, Atishi Marlena would be swearing in on the Constitution of India to protect and preserve it. She has also held the excise portfolio. Say in the excise scam that has been committed by Arvind Kejriwal, and he's an accused out on bail, there comes an important vital piece of evidence. Now she has to, under the constitution, give that evidence to the investigating agency. She is bound by the constitution. But a Khadau CM will be serving Arvind Kejriwal. So first question is whether the Khadau CM would be able to fulfill the oath that she has taken under the constitution. Second, see, the tumor has been removed. The tumor resigned today around 6:15. But the cancer remains, the cancer of corruption that we have seen in Aam Aadmi Party. And that is why I ask, who have they brought as a replacement? Atishi's report card. First of all, nothing against her parents, but the ideology that they subscribe to, saying Afzal Guru should be protected and not hanged. Now, Atishi Marlena has never gone public to say that I don't endorse these views. So it's an ideological question that I'm asking, that today the Chief Minister of Delhi, from tomorrow after the oath, would be standing with people like Afzal Guru who have been convicted by the Honorable Supreme Court. That is a cause of worry. Second, her report card reads like this. The excise department which she was holding, she did not take any action to ensure that the investigating agencies are able to aptly and swiftly, also nail the culprits beyond that what they have done, because she is the minister, she has to do it.
But Gaurav Bhatia, that is the job of the investigation agency, for God's sake. The government in power is not going to hang their own people.
No, Navika, listen to me what I'm saying. No, why not? Why not? The constitution and the oath that you take makes it your duty to submit every bit of evidence as a minister to the investigating agency. Having made that point, now I'm coming to the next. As a power minister, she hiked the tariff for the common people of Delhi twice in 18 months. She was also the education minister. I would like to know how many new schools or colleges in the last 18 months have been opened, because Aam Aadmi Party in their manifesto promised 500 of them. And last but not the least, PWD minister. We have seen Delhi witnessing flooding. We have lost our brothers and sisters during flooding. It was the failure of Atishi Marlena as the PWD minister who was busy minting money. These are the charges I make, and I make them...
Priyanka Kakkar, serious charges coming in from Gaurav Bhatia, ideological charges, charges on the excise department, which is a matter under investigation, and number 3, governance questions. Please respond.
Navika ji, firstly, my question to you is, had I referred to the Honorable Prime Minister as a tumor or cancer, would you have intervened, interjected, and
avoidable, yes, should not be used for any human being. These are dreaded diseases. Corruption may be a cancer, but to associate it with any human being, even if they are political opponents, not quite advisable. So Gaurav Bhatia, I would suggest, at least for the sake of
I would respond when my turn comes.
Okay, Priyanka Kakkar.
Decency, perhaps decency. No, your turn. Yes, of course it will come. I am taking an objection to the anchor also not moderating to, intervene and object to such deplorable language, even if it is coming from BJP, unexpected. One thing. Secondly, since he mentions about bail and jail and himself, he's a lawyer and a senior advocate at that, it is quite surprising to me that he's not gone through the orders. The ED court, for example, very categorically held in the Honorable CM's case that there is not an iota of evidence against Arvind Kejriwal ji. Not only that, it also goes to the extent of saying that the ED is acting without bias while he was granted regular bail in the ED case. In the Supreme Court, since he claims to be a practicing advocate in the Supreme Court said that the CBI appears to be working as a caged parrot and it should shed that image of it. Be that as it may, there is not a single peso of evidence that has been recovered after about 3 years of founding of the Aam Aadmi Party and all of its leaders. Nothing found. Perhaps if he was mathematically a little more or financially strong in his understanding of finances, he would understand understand that only a state which is run by a Kattar Imandar government can give facilities to its citizens like free water, free electricity, free Mahilaon ko bus yatra, and yet produce a revenue surplus budget. He would perhaps also be able to answer why is there not a single BJP state which provides free electricity, or why is there not a single BJP state which is a revenue surplus model, or say why is a single BJP state.
Okay.
All of them are running in losses. Maybe one state he could name that a BJP state which is in profit. Thirdly, he questioned. No. You one more allegation, Mr. Advocate. You questioned on Afzal Guru. You made allegations on Afzal Guru and made some disparaging comments. I want to also ask, when you answer that, why were you in an alliance with the PDP which said that Afzal Guru was a martyr, or why are you still in alliance with the JDU, whose chief in Jammu and Kashmir also held similar views for Afzal Guru? You must answer this since you questioned. Now you can answer.
Gaurav Bhatia, I'm coming to you, Tehseen, but Gaurav Bhatia, please respond. I'm coming.
So, for the BJP and the citizenry of the country, corruption is like cancer. And when an accused in a corruption case resigns, I am very much entitled to say that cancer has resigned. There is nothing wrong with that. And tumor has been removed, but cancer remains in Delhi. And that needs to be cured. But I challenge the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson. Navika, let me respond.
No, Gaurav Bhatia, only to keep decency on a debate. Let's discuss and debate the issue
Civilized.
rather than raising these comments and adjectives for a former chief minister. In the interest of debate.
Navika, the first issue
You can use them for the current PM. Try using them for the current PM.
CM designate. My first issue, please ask her to be quiet.
Yeah, please respond.
My first question was that how would the Khadau CM designate fulfill her responsibility under the constitution that she has to protect if there is incriminating material against Arvind Kejriwal? Did you get a response? At least I did not hear it. So she would have to clarify whether it's the constitutional oath that will prevail. Can she be quiet? Navika,
Okay.
this is not done.
Okay.
This is not done.
Make your point.
I think she needs to be civilized.
No. She's only asking you a counter question.
So
is there incriminating evidence? Only then she
But
can
why
respond.
can't she wait the way I waited? Why can't she wait?
All right.
So, Navika, why can't she
Fair,
wait the way I waited
fair.
and I jotted down my point?
Fair, you complete your point and I'll give Priyanka
Tell me
Kakkar.
what the incriminating evidence is.
Yes.
Okay. Gaurav, make your charges
Navika,
in
this is
toto
unfair.
and then Priyanka Kakkar, you can respond.
Yes. Yes. So on Afzal Guru, I also raised a question. I asked regarding Atishi Marlena whether she ever distanced herself or condemned or said, I disagree with the statement made by her parents defending Afzal Guru. Did I hear any response? The answer was that BJP had an alliance with the PDP. Now it is for the viewers to understand that the Tukade gang CM has come and the terrorists now will feel safe. People who, please, can I just complete my point? People who are against the country, people who are with the terrorists have finally taken charge. This ideology is dangerous. My third charge, I made it very clear, was about corruption. And I told you that in every department that Atishi has served, there is dereliction of duty or there are serious charges of corruption. And let me tell you one or two. The Delhi Lieutenant Governor ordered a probe by the anti-corruption branch into the allegations of corruption in the PWD department carrying out desilting work in Palam. This costed the exchequer around 80 crores. Direct allegations. Who is heading the ministry? Atishi Marlena. And last but not the least, I challenged the AAP spokesperson here. She made a comment that the Supreme Court has said, and I quote her, I've written it down,
Can't answer.
that there is not an iota of evidence against the Chief Minister. I repeat, she said the Supreme Court has said there is not an iota of evidence against the Chief Minister.
I said
now,
the
in my
ED
hand is
court
the
has
judgment.
said,
I challenge
you
her
liar.
to show me that paragraph. Please, Navika, I am not done.
All right, unparliamentary,
I have made it
unparliamentary again.
And I think I
Well,
have
censor,
faith in her
censor,
ability
but
of
yes,
mind.
the ED court, she said, not Supreme Court. So Gaurav Bhatia, you know, if it's about the Supreme Court, she hasn't said Supreme Court. She's talking
ED
about the
court
ED court.
Talk about
also, can
CBI.
she quote me the paragraph? No, can she quote me the paragraph? Okay, I challenge her.
Para
ED
26.
Court, which
Para
paragraph is
26.
not an iota
Para
of
26,
evidence
she
against
says.
it? Quote it. Quote it.
Para
Follow.
26.
Open it.
Para 26 निकालो.
Open it.
You know, listen, Navika, now let me explain some law to her.
Nikalo.
Now,
No, no, no.
24
Hold on, Gaurav
Let
Bhatia.
me explain some law
Before
to
you
her.
go on to your next set of charges, let me get in also. And Priyanka, I'll come to you after I get Tehseen Poonawalla into the debate. And
Navika ji, 1 second. Navika ji.
Yes.
Navika ji,
हाँ जी.
1 second. Just ask him what is the incriminating evidence he's been making sweeping statements again and again about. 3 साल हो गए incriminating evidence ना कोर्ट में दिखा है, यहाँ पे बोल
Can I
के फिर
respond
भाग
to
जाएंगे.
that,
Just
Navika?
ask him where is the
Okay.
incriminating
Can I
evidence.
respond?
Sorry,
Why did you not
Tehseen,
stand
this
the
seems
trial?
to be like a BJP AAP
Incriminating
war.
evidence.
Congress.
Do you know the meaning of incriminating
Congress
evidence?
is a bystander. Not too many comments coming. But
Oh,
Gaurav
do you
Bhatia,
understand
what is the
evidence?
incriminating evidence?
So, Navika, let me explain about the law. My friend is not even a senior advocate, but she is questioning me. That's fine. She has the right. So, if there is no incriminating evidence and a prima facie case is not made out, the petitioner goes for quashing of that charge. Arvind Kejriwal did not go for quashing and the charges are not being quashed. 2, has he been discharged?
That
No.
is why there is incriminating
Third,
evidence.
Has he
That
been
is why.
acquitted? No. Oh,
You really
Navika,
practice.
if you want to call such spokespersons who have
Well, let's
out
not get
nonsense
personal.
from their
Let's
mouth
not
to
get
their work,
personal. Let's stay on the issue. Let's stay on the
because
issue.
She's a baby.
It's
I
all
think
right,
she's
it's
a
all right.
baby.
Navika.
He knows only
Navika, may I come in?
Let him get personal.
Let's-
He has no.
You know, just tell me this.
Navika, in all your shows, I'm the peacemaker.
What is all this? Do this to Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, yes.
केजरीवाल को
Teeth-
बोलो ना
teeth,
ओ
nose,
बेचारे बड़े
cheeks,
दुखी होंगे आज
stomach,
आज तो
arms.
मनीष सिसोदिया बड़े दुखी है
Well,
वो कह रहे जेल
on
में
the charges, well, I'm just doing a fact check. I don't know the incriminating evidence that Gaurav Bhatia has spoken about because the matter is still sub judice and the matter is going on. It's a bail. But Gaurav Bhatia on the issue of comments on Afzal Guru, well, Atishi in 2019 addressed the controversy related to her parents' stand and she said, I'm not responsible for any political decisions made by my parents. The responsibility and accountability for those actions lie with them and they are fully capable of expressing their own views. I can speak for myself and I was not in support of that decision. Atishi said in 2019 in an interview with Amar Ujala, which my research team has just pulled out and I'm quoting from there. But Tehseen Poonawalla.
No, Navika, so I will say, I will, no,
Yeah,
let me
Gaurav,
say
can I
line
please
on
come
that.
in?
Navika, if she has said so, 1 minute, Tehseen, one line. If she has said so, then I think it augurs well that she is herself distancing herself from the comments made by her parents. And I respect that.
Well said. At least
You've done
one
your research
positive
well.
statement
I
that you've
raised
had
the
to
point.
made about the
Totally, I
new,
respect that.
Chief Minister designate. But Tehseen Poonawalla, how do you see this turn of events, this turn of politics as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned? Do you think Arvind Kejriwal has played a masterstroke, or is this once again old wine in new bottles?
Navika ji, ironically, you speak about old wine in new bottle because the entire argument between these two was on the liquor scam. So let's not go to wines, but at the onset, a very happy birthday to Honorable Prime Minister and many, many congratulations to Atishi on becoming the third woman Chief Minister of Delhi. Two very fundamental points. Look, we can attack anybody on what their parents said. By that same logic, Navika ji, same logic, why does Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh's son get a ticket? Or why did Ajay Mishra Teni continue to be Home Minister? What applies for Atishi Marlena should apply for the BJP. And that is selective. I don't like the terms that were used for the ex-honorable Chief Minister of Delhi, but then the only national party convicted, whose president was convicted of corruption, was the BJP. Their national president was convicted of corruption on national TV. This is not what. Now we can say somebody's a terrorist, somebody's anti-national precedents. Navika ji, Pragya Thakur, forget her. The government moved to quash the allegations against her. What did Bombay High Court say? She continues to be a terror accused and she was sent by the BJP to parliament. So before BJP preaches Aam Aadmi Party, they should apologize to the nation on the same principles that Gaurav has very rightly preached on your show. Lastly, Atishi, we can't judge on hypothetically if an evidence comes out. If there is an evidence, the investigation agency should find it. If they found no evidence, Arvind Kejriwal will be discharged.
So are you supporting? Are you going to find? Are you going to fight the Delhi elections with the Aam Aadmi Party as your alliance partner?
I am saying Haryana is a Congress government, and following that, Delhi people of Delhi means Sheila ji, and Delhi elections will be a Congress-led government. Whether Aam Aadmi Party comes or no depends on them. They should dissolve the assembly and call for elections.
Ye kya? You're sitting on the fence, but Priyanka.
No, I'm not. I am saying they have a choice if they want to come. People of Delhi, Miss Sheila Dikshit, dissolve the assembly.
Priyanka Kakkar, let me ask you this. Is this a huge makeover, image makeover for Arvind Kejriwal? Because that is the question people of India are asking. You know, after the charges, after being in jail and, you know, after all the politics that's, you know, taken place between the liquor scam, the Sheesh Mahal charges, the governance, administration issues. Is this an image makeover ahead of the elections? Or, you know, is this just so that Arvind Kejriwal is away from the spotlight, so that the spotlight can be on somebody else while he runs the political affairs of the party ahead of elections?
Navika ji, I can tell you this much, that Arvind Kejriwal ji had enough opportunities to make ample money, and none of us are in the politics to make money. We don't need the money. That's not why we joined politics. We joined politics we came together for the vision of Arvind Kejriwal ji, which was to ensure that each child in the country gets the best education that there can be. Now, what has happened is that in the past 3 years, I would say a few media channels too, particularly one channel, they aligned a lot with the BJP ideology perhaps, and, you know, did this dushprachar of Sheesh Mahal and whatever. And so also...
Oh my God, you're talking about the channel on which you are.
BJP maligned the image of Arvind Kejriwal ji, and there was also the BJP which constantly threw mud at us about Sharab Ghotala, and this has hurt. No, I'm speaking, sir. Don't they teach you manners at BJP? अच्छा वो तो घर से आती है. तो I am saying that what has happened is that
I am the peacemaker. I'm telling you.
ऐसा लग रहा है कि तोता सीबीआई का यही बैठा है.
Okay. Back to the issue. You said it has hurt the image. Please complete your sentence, Priyanka.
Now, what has happened is, obviously, you know, when a person who has only dedicated himself to the service of the nation, and despite such strong observations by the court that I already mentioned about, which Gaurav Bhatia can bother to read once in a while, once in his life rather. So what has happened is that उनको बहुत आहत हुई है ये बात कि उनका name and image has been maligned when his only crime has been to work towards the betterment of the country.
So why didn't he resign when he was arrested? Why didn't he resign when he was in jail? You know, why now is the question I'm asking.
Because simply because Navika ji, because you see, you will recall that BJP was trying to crush us. अरे sir, मैं बोल रही हूँ. simply because the BJP was trying to crush us continuously. They tried their Operation Lotus, ED, CBI. They tried to do vote chori. You saw in the Chandigarh mayor election. They did all kind of tricks. And what had happened is that had the CM resigned at that moment, it would appear to be, it would be a signal to all, to the BJP. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. It would be a message to all the opposition states where the BJP could use PMLA, imprison their CMs.
This old work.
Okay,
Sir,
she's just completing her point, and I'm coming to you. The floor will be yours. She's just completing her point. I don't know if judges say order anymore. I don't know if judges say order anymore, but since I have two legal personalities, rather three of them, Priyanka, complete your point.
Navika,
and then
Friday this debate in the studio, please.
What is?
1 minute.
Yeah, what is wrong with this guy? What is wrong with him?
No, complete your point.
Priyanka
ji, complete your point.
So what had happened is...
He doesn't have any brains. I know about
Please, let's not. Please, for God's sake, my appeal to just the three of you on the panel, let's just not get personal.
Enough. If she makes a personal remark now, she will get it back from me. You are the actor. I will ensure that she behaves properly.
Yes,
You
okay.
talk about
requesting both of you, no personal remarks. Complete. All right, Gaurav Bhatia, she's just in the next 10 seconds she's completing her point, and then the floor is yours to respond to the charges. Yes, Priyanka ji, complete your point.
Shut up.
Oh, please, Gaurav Bhatia ji, I appeal to your better judgment. I appeal to your better judgment, not.
I'll take it.
I appeal to your better judgment, not to use such.
He doesn't want to listen to the answer.
Okay, बोलिए आप.
No, उनको TRP चाहिए. उनकी ऐसे ही होती है. महिलाओं को बोलो ऐसे. Listen, हाँ. So now what had happened is that had the CM resigned at that time, it would be giving a signal to all the entire country that the BJP will slap PMLA on you, the chief ministers will be imprisoned, then you will have to resign and तुम्हारी सरकार गिर जाएगी. So why should we fall into BJP's trap?
All
He's
right.
resigned on his
Fair
own
point.
terms
Gaurav
and he's ready
Bhatia,
to
please
give a
respond.
Agni Pariksha and go to the ground. I would challenge.
Navika, before I respond, I think you are the anchor of the show. You've invited all of us.
I
She makes a
apologize on
personal
everyone's behalf to
I think
everyone
it is your
else.
responsibility
Please.
to check her.
Yeah. Yes, I apologize on everyone's behalf to
Navika,
everyone
can
else.
I make my point or I can't make my point?
Okay, only in order that we
If
can
you
have a
equate the
nice,
two,
sensible
Then
debate.
you are being unfair.
No, Gaurav Bhatia, please make your point. I mean no
Who made
disrespect
the
to
personal-
anybody.
Who made the personal remarks? That's okay. But it's my
You
duty as a
did.
friend to tell you.
You are talking
He
about
come
my
on your
teeth and
show.
nose.
She can debate with me on merits.
All right, let's debate
Yes,
on
that is
merit.
after you
Please
made the personal
respond.
remark. Oh,
You can't.
yes. Now,
You can't.
yes.
You
Okay.
have to
Now,
make
first of
sweeping
all-
statement.
Priyanka ji, 1
Go make
minute.
your sweeping
Please ask
statement.
her.
I'm short on time, then you'll
Contemptless
say
man.
I haven't given enough time. Gaurav Bhatia, please respond.
So one by one, he was mentioning the ED judgment. ED judgment, it has been mentioned that there is not an iota of evidence against Arvind Kejriwal. Now, in the scheme of the Constitution, the Honorable Supreme Court is the highest court. And I have the judgment in the ED matter of Arvind Kejriwal, where bail was granted but conditions were imposed by the Honorable Supreme Court. So it doesn't matter what the trial court said. I'll read that paragraph also and do a fact check. But the Supreme Court imposed these conditions. Now see, Navika.
Okay,
now
no
what is
heckling,
this? What is
no
this? Tell
heckling,
me.
Priyanka
All the
ji,
viewers are
please.
seeing.
Please,
What is this? Tell
no
me.
heckling. 1 minute. Priyanka
Is
ji,
this
I
not
request
He
you.
said shut up to me.
Is this not
Okay.
uncivilized?
He said shut up to me.
Absolutely, and I
Is this not
intervened then as I
uncivilized?
intervene now.
Is this not
Let's not heckle each other, Priyanka ji.
No,
Yes.
you didn't. He's been battamiz.
No.
All he does is he's been battamiz.
Okay.
Always.
Well, nobody should do that.
See,
Nobody
now,
should
Navika,
cross the
it's
line.
fine with you.
Nobody should cross the line. Please do not use such words. We are all educated people, and both of you are, lawyers.
There is no other way Gaurav will get TRP.
Okay, Priyanka ji, let's not heckle. Gaurav, complete your point. I'm putting down faders. I'm announcing I'm putting down faders. only because I'm short on time. Gaurav Bhatia, complete your point.
Yes. So, Navika, in this judgment which I have by the Honorable Supreme Court, Arvind Kejriwal in the ED matter is granted bail. And two conditions are very important. He shall not visit the office of the Chief Minister and the Delhi Secretariat. Two, he shall be bound by the statement made on his behalf that he shall not sign official files. Now, what does it show? That prima facie there is material. That is why the charges have not been quashed. Second point, which is very important. Who is Arvind Kejriwal? Arvind Kejriwal had said, मैं अपनी बीवी की कसम लेता हूं, मैं राजनीति में नहीं आऊंगा. वो राजनीति में आ गए. अरविंद केजरीवाल सेड मैं बच्चों की कसम लेता हूं, कांग्रेस से सपोर्ट नहीं लूंगा. उन्होंने कांग्रेस से सपोर्ट किया. अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कहा आरोप लगे तो इस्तीफा दो. उन्होंने पे आरोप लगे, उन्होंने इस्तीफा नहीं दिया. उन्होंने अरुण जेटली पे झूठे आरोप लगाए और माफी मांगी. वो माफीनामा मेरे पास है. उन्होंने कहा मैं बड़ा बंगला नहीं लूंगा, शीश महल बना भ्रष्टाचार की कमाई से. उन्होंने कहा मैं सिक्योरिटी नहीं लूंगा, उन्होंने ली. उन्होंने कहा मैं अपनी वैगनार में चलूंगा, गाड़ियों में चलने लगे.
Whether it is an image makeover or whether this is a titration of politics, the fact of the matter is that there are governance issues that are pending attention of the Aam Aadmi Party government, and of course there are elections around the corner. How soon and how well the Aam Aadmi Party plays this particular round in its politics still remains to be seen, but Atishi takes over from Arvind Kejriwal, and she will be the new Chief Minister of Delhi. The Khadao Chief Minister, as her own colleagues have called her, but will she be able to turn around the Aam Aadmi Party's performance ahead of elections? That's the question people of India, people of Delhi are asking. We leave it at that. Thank you very much, Priyanka Kakkar, Tehseen Poonawalla and Gaurav Bhatia for joining me on debate number 1.